Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today's video is not a recipe or a tutorial, but if you're subscribed to my GrowLikeAPro YouTube channel, you've been following along as I've been growing these cantaloupe seeds. So these have been grown inside for the whole time, and we are now at day 15. And I've got some pretty good progress going on. One thing that I noticed throughout the process is that the ones that I just planted in regular soil are a little bit bigger than the ones that I started off in these little jiffy pods. But overall, they're looking pretty good. Right now, I can't plant these because I still have about 4 feet of snow outside. There's still another snowstorm coming, which is going into like Saturday or Sunday. We're supposed to get about 15 centimeters of snow, followed by freezing rain. So that's it for this really fast video. If you want to see progress on this, I will put a link down to my GrowLikeAPro YouTube channel if you want to follow along. So that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.